Filtering operation. The filter oil powder is evenly poured into the tank of the oil filter car according to the appropriate proportion. And the oil filter car is pushed into the front of the fryer. Install the oil drain valve tube, and the filter slag tank of the oil filter car is directly under the drain pipe. Put on high-temperature gloves before oil filtering to prevent scalding. Open the oil drainage valve, and the oil of fryer begins to flow slowly. The powder and impurities are filtered through the filter slag tank first, and then into the cylinder block. After oil is put out, please close the drain valve of fryer first. Step 1. Open the switch of the oil filter, and it begins to work. After 5 minutes of circulating oil filtration, oil and filter powder can be thoroughly mixed together. Step 2. After turning off the power switch, open the oil drainage valve. Pick up the filter pipe. The pipe mouth is facing the fryer tank, and then turn on the oil filter, which starts to work. During this operation, the oil filter can also be used to wash fryer tanks and clean the powder in the tank. Step 3. Close the oil drain valve of fryer and start the oil filtering work. The oil can be filtered within 2 minutes. After completed 2 to 3 times, the filtering work can be finished. After that, we could turn off the oil filter car.